How to refund game passes on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video presentation, I'm going to teach you on how to refund game passes on Roblox. So it's a quick and easy process, so follow along to refund any game pass purchases you have made with Roblox. So in order to start, open a web browser instead of Roblox app. Close the Roblox app and open a web browser and go to website called www.roblox.com/support. Once you reach the support page, provide your contact information, including your email address, for the customer support. Select the platform you play on mobile or iPhone or iPad or Android or even PC. Choose purchases using the Roblox in the help category, which is just below the Roblox stories. Click on it and describe your issue in the detail, including the cost of your game pass, the account it was purchased on, and the specific game pass for which experience. By providing valid information, customer support may be able to help and grant you a refund for game passes purchased. So I hope this video has assisted you in learning how to refund game passes on Roblox. So if you found this guide to be helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.